Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today I'm going to show you how to make postbiotic carrot salad to support your immune system. This is also great for your skin health and very easy to make. Did you know half cup of carrot contain more than half amount of vitamin A you need a day? Vitamin A is important for your immune system, keeping healthy skin. If you want to stay healthy from inside, eat more carrot. Ours also contain probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics to support your gut health. It also contains polyphenols and acetic acid to keep your gut healthy. Majority of your immune system is in your gut. So it's very important to support your gut health. You can support your immune system by combining vitamin A-rich foods such as carrot and a fermented drink like ours Koso. Now I'm going to show you how to make immune-supporting postbiotic carrot salad. I have a Japanese carrot here today. This is farther than North American carrot. I'm just gonna use half of this. So if you have a North American carrot, you can just use one carrot. I don't see this Japanese carrot often in North America. Sometimes I see this in Asian market, but flavor is pretty much same. It's just a little bit fatter. If you wanna try this, you can probably go to Chinese market. And again, you don't have to have this. You can use any kind of carrot, even baby carrot. In any kind of color, white, purple, orange, yellow, your choice. If you have organic carrot, I recommend you to eat skin. Nutrients are concentrated in the skin, so don't throw it away. If you don't like texture, you can keep it and make a broth. First, slice the carrot thin like this. Then cut into sticks. I'm going to season this carrot. I have 1 tablespoon of koso, of course. Sesame seed, you only need a little, half teaspoon or quarter teaspoon, just for the scent. Bonito flakes to add umami flavor, and sea salt to balance sweetness of our koso and carrot, and sesame seed, roasted sesame seed for crunchiness. All you need to do is just combine this. That's it. Here is the bowl. Going to add this carrot into the bowl. As koso, a little bit sesame oil. I love the scent of roasted sesame oil, so I add this to soup, stir fries, and salad. It makes everything special. And Bonito flakes, you can add as much as you want. I have 2 or 3 tablespoons. Oh, don't forget sea salt. Just a pinch. If you need, you can add more salt later. And sesame seed. Mix. So easy, right? If you're looking for quick snacks or one more side dishes you can make easily, try this carrot salad. Thank you for watching. Hope you try this recipe. See you again soon. Bye.